Hello, travel buddies! I am taking you again to another gala. This time, let's go to a top-ranking attraction here in Kaohsiung. It is located in Dashu District. It is the Fo Guangshan Monastery Memorial Center, and it is open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and it is closed every Tuesday. So let's go! From Formosa Boulevard Station, let's take the red line going to Zhaoying HSR Station or Platform 3. Then hanapin mo yung arrow towards Gangshan kasi dun ang papuntang Zhaoying HSR. So ayan, baba na kami at sasakay kami ng bus. So hanapin mo lang yung Harvard Express Exit or Bus EO2. Direct ito papunta ng Fo Guangshan Monastery. And every hour yung alis niya. It's Sunday today kaya ayan madaming namamasyal, madaming tao. And ayan paglabas makikita mo na yung bus stop. Ayan, then makikita mo naman dun may nakasulat na mga bus number dun sa nakalagay sa platform. Pero para sure, kailangan mo din magtanong kasi may dalawang bus na humihinto doon. So, ayan na, nakasakay na kami. And it takes about 35 to 45 minutes going to Fo Guangshan Monastery. Puno nga pala yung bus at may kasabay kaming mga kabayan na nagtatrabaho sa Taiwan. So, sasabay kami sa kanila pagbaba. Parang ano talaga, yung babiyahe ka sa probinsya nito, medyo malayo-layo at maganda yung mga tanawin. Binayaran nga pala namin is 70 NT dollar or in US is $3 in peso is around 132 pesos. Pwede mong itap yung card or pwede ring cash payment. At eto na nga, nakarating na. Pero dalawa ang bus stop pala dito. Una yung sa Buddha Memorial Center and then the main yung sa Fo Guangshan Monastery which are 3 minutes lang away. Pero ang suggestion ni Kabayan, dun kami sa last station kasi nandun talaga yung mga madaming temple and 100 Buddhas or 1,000 Buddhas, basta madami. Dito din naman ang daan namin pag umikot-ikot ka, dito din ang last na punta namin. So dito din yung sakayan pabalik ng Zhaoying Station. So abangan naman ang part 2 para ipapakita ko ang loob ng monastery. Follow for more adventure and tips from your Ate Pris, the travel foodies.